Good morning, students. I hope you all are doing well at your places. And today we'll be studying about was and were. देखिए was singular nouns के लिए use होता है, whereas were plural के लिए होता है. So let's just begin with this by giving the example. It will definitely clear in your mind that where we have to use was and where we have to use were. So the title of our chapter is use of was and were, right? Work in pairs and just fill in the blanks with was and were. राणा प्रताप डैश अ किंग, राणा प्रताप वॉज अ किंग, एक की बात हो रही है. द ब्रिटिशर्स बहुत सारे हो रहे, तो दे वर वेरी क्रूअल, राइट? सो जस्ट रीड एंड अंडरस्टैंड. पृथ्वीराज चौहान वॉज अ वेरी ब्रेव किंग, वो एक बहुत ही ज्यादा ब्रेव किंग थे. चिल्ड्रन वर प्लेइंग क्रिकेट, चिल्ड्रन जो हैं क्रिकेट खेल रहे हैं. सो देयर इज अ फैक्ट फाइल दैट वॉज किसके साथ यूज होता है? आई, ही, शी, इट, ये सब सिंगुलर नाउन्स के साथ. और वर्ब कहाँ यूज होता है? वी, यू, दे, सब प्लूरल नाउन के साथ, राइट? वॉज एंड वर दे आर यूज इन पास्ट फॉर्म में, पास्ट सेंटेंस में, पास्ट टेंस में यूज होते हैं. So you have to study the following sentences. I was very rich, मैं बहुत rich था. You were a good man, तुम एक बहुत अच्छे इंसान थे. Old man was going, एक old man जा रहा था. Birds were flying in the sky, बहुत सारी birds हैं, right? So was and were they are used in past tense. Moving on to the exercise, first we'll be completing with was and were, right? So Akbar dash a Mughal king, अकबर एक king था, तो अकबर was, right? The people dash in the garden, people अपने आप में ही plural है, तो people were in the garden, right? नमन एक ही लड़का है, नमन was doing his own work. they were बहुत सारे जने हैं. और dog एक ही है, the dog was barking in the night. And you were a famous actor, तुम एक famous actor हो. You have to take the correct options in the following sentences. The boys बहुत सारे हैं, तो क्या आएगा? were आएगा. तरुण एक ही लड़का है, तरुण was sick yesterday. She was knitting a sweater, वो कल एक स्वेटर को बुन रही थी. He was inside the room, वो रूम के अंदर था. There were flowers, right? And the rope was very long, right? So it was all about was and were. Please make sure that you understood this chapter and please go through the previous concepts and whatever resource you are reading. मतलब from wherever you are reading, please underline all those sentences जिसके अंदर was and were आप देखते हैं, and please make sure that you use was and were in the sentences also, and please keep doing hard work and stay blessed. Thank you.